All right, so unboxing time, and I wasn't even gonna do this. I don't know why. I've been on a little bit of a sneaker unboxing kick. I've had some interesting pickups recently, and these are no exception. This is a pair of New Balance that a lot of you have probably never seen, but I gotta say, it is time. New Balance. I'm a New Balance guy. I am your guy. I'm a strong advocate for the New Balance brand, but with that, there's gotta be a little bit of criticism when it is necessary. It's time to get rid of this box. I know that this is your flagship classic gray New Balance box. Honestly, I'd be okay with going with a standard cardboard box like this. That's just that tan brown. Just go with this. Just a New Balance version. We don't need a gray color, and clearly this is a super flimsy cardboard. But anyway, let's get into these. A very interesting pair. We've got the New Balance 610 DB. Now just take these in for a second. If you haven't been following the 610 line, you're not alone. I really haven't had the urge to grab a pair. We've seen a Joe Freshgoods collab. We've seen a Bodega collab. There's been a lot going on with this sneaker. It's a trail running shoe that has serious lifestyle appeal. But this particular pair is different than all the others. For one, check out that gradient design. The way it goes from a teal into an orangish yellow. Very cool. These I saw and I was like, okay, all right, I'm in. And I love how they threw a navy overlay on top of that. So, you know, that gradient pattern stands out and there's that crazy contrast. So I did read that this is a Gore-Tex material on here. However, there is no Gore-Tex branding on it at all. So I don't think it is. Obviously, this rubber overlay is gonna protect you from a little bit of water. I wouldn't go jumping in puddles with these, but if it rains, I think you'll be fine. And then additionally, these are almost a slip-on. You see that bungee cord lacing system? There really isn't a way to get these laces off unless you cut them. You can tighten them up a little bit here or loosen them, but that's it. You really are stuck with these laces unless you cut them. So these clearly have some Gorp Core vibes, especially with them being a trail shoe. And it feels like they are in response to a lot of the Solomon models that are out there. And that is a shoe that I haven't tried out yet. It's just a trend that I haven't really gotten on board with. So New Balance is definitely doing some cool things this year. We've got the 1906R here, or U, that I featured recently, and then this 610, two popular models. This one has been going crazy. We've seen a lot of different colorways, collabs, so much going on. And I kind of hope that New Balance just chills a little bit on this model. We don't want to see what happened to the 550 happen to these. I don't know, they're a little bit different. We'll see, but it is cool to see stuff like this. So New Balance just off to a strong start in 2024. Let me know if you guys have copped any of the 610s down in the comment section. And I've been dropping a lot of other videos. Actually, the last unboxing video I did was also a gradient sneaker. So go check that one out. Make sure you subscribe before you get out of here. Hit that thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.